Welcome to another 1-minute episode of Microsoft 365 TimeSavers, where you can learn time-saving tips and tricks that you can use today in Microsoft 365 today. I'm going to show you how to use Planner in Teams to organize your team workload. Let's start by creating a new tab and search for Planner. Select Tasks by Planner, and then select Create a New Plan and give it a name like Team Priorities. Then click Save. This creates a dedicated Tasks tab for the team to work from. Start creating tasks and assigning them to team members. Then add the task, repeat the process for other tasks. After some activity, it starts to look more like this. You can easily view tasks by who they reassign to help you balance workloads and to conduct status reviews. Each of these tasks can be tagged using customizable tags, but the real benefit is that you can attach relevant files or links to tasks, so all the content you need is right there. They also have a detailed history, making it easier for others to take over when reassigning tasks. Help organize your team workload today with Planner in Teams.